Panda Express gift card. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Panda Express gift card. So let's get started. You can use your Panda Express gift card for online orders or at any accepted location, including standalone restaurants, amusement parks, sports shopping mall, food courts, and other venues like airports, casinos, and universities. For online order, place your order on the Panda Express website. Click on the Order Now button. During checkout, indicate gift card as your payment method. Enter the card number and PIN. Now complete your order. Panda Express app. Download the Panda Express app on your smartphone. Place your order within the app. At checkout, select Add gift card as your payment method. Then enter the card number and PIN. Now click Apply to use the gift card for your order. Remember that once you order or receive the gift card, you cannot change its value until you spend what is already on it. That's how you can use Panda Express gift card.